Meaning of float.
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 Float. In computer programming, the term float refers to a data type used to represent floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are real numbers, numbers with decimal points, and are stored in memory using a specific format that allows for efficient mathematical operations. The float data type typically uses 32 bits of memory and can represent numbers with up to 7 significant digits. Using float variables can be useful for a wide range of applications, including scientific simulations, financial modeling, and graphical displays. Overall, float is an essential concept in computer programming for representing real-world numbers with precision.